What inspires me right now are some of the things that inspired me when I was a kid. I still have the books that I had when I was a youngster in the Midwest. Um, Home Planners Incorporated Encyclopedia of Home Design is still on my bookshelf from like 1984. I pull it out every once in a while because I still like imagining the things I imagined so many years ago. Um, One of the other books that was influential when I was young was one of the catalog kit companies from the 1920s called Gordon Van Tyne, very similar to the Sears catalog, studying how efficient buildings were made 100 years ago. They were a lot smaller and they were efficiently made. And I think we've lost that. We've focused so much on bigger and better that we've gotten away from the fact that we can do effective things in a small footprint. So I like to be reminded of that, and I like to be reminded of the quality of design that happened 100 years ago.